Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a undecorate with me / decorate with me because we're taking down everything from Christmas, and then we're gonna put up some Valentine's Day decorations.
I dove into the deep end, 'cause I thought I could swim. But we break up every weekend. Was it gonna be like that? Oh, I just wanted you so bad. Playing with my mind, was that your intention? 'Cause I'm missing you. 'Cause I'm missing you. I dove into the deep end, 'cause I thought I could swim. But we break up every weekend. Was it gonna be like that? Oh, I just wanted you so bad. Playing with my mind, was that your intention? 'Cause I'm missing you. 'Cause I'm missing you. I dove into the deep end, 'cause I thought I could swim. But we break up every weekend. Was it gonna be like that?
So literally, I did not film taking down the Christmas tree because that's like a whole nother process in itself. So that was not filmed, but everything else in the house we took down for Christmas, and we put up Valentine's Day stuff. I have minimal Valentine's Day stuff. I found a couple items that I really loved a few years back, and I just used those to decorate my little ledges. But that's about it. I think I'm gonna go shopping and see if I can find anything else just to kind of go in the kitchen or on the dining room table or something like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.